This wireless remote and controller kit is tailored for dual white pulse width modulation strip lighting, giving you smooth control over both cool and warm tones without flicker or color cast issues. The four-zone design lets you divide your space into separate lighting areas and manage each independently or together, which is ideal for larger rooms, open floor plans, or multi-room setups. Its 2.4 GHz radio frequency link offers a generous control range in open spaces, so you can reliably adjust your lights without needing direct line of sight, like an infrared remote. The touch wheel and clearly laid out buttons make it easy to fine-tune brightness and color temperature, and the remote's matte black finish feels sturdy and comfortable in the hand. Support for common direct current voltages from 5 to 24 volts makes the controllers versatile for many strip installations, as long as you size your power supply and current draw correctly. Integration with Tuya and Smart Life platforms, plus compatibility with major voice assistants, adds convenient app control, automation options, and hands-free operation for everyday use.